WireCrafters makes DEA controlled substance drug storage cages to suit the industry's incredibly demanding requirements. With self-closing and self-locking doors, the cages are available in virtually any configuration, which makes it possible for your company to install a sturdy and secure structure in any location. With the addition of panels that mount flush to the floor, as well as heavy-duty hardware, WireCrafter's Style 840 partitions meet the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration's requirements for physical security. Configurations are also available with card reader access as well as a 10-digit keypad. Drawing from years of experience building DEA-approved enclosures, WireCrafter's cages have never failed a DEA inspection. The storage cages are perfect for pharmacies, pharmaceutical companies, medical facilities, distribution centers, record storage, and drug warehouses. Let's get started on your next project.